Hey everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Transformers Earthrise War for Cybertron Trilogy, Deluxe Class, Cliffjumper. First, taking a look at the packaging. As you can see, it says Transformers Earthrise War for Cybertron Trilogy. It says his name is Cliffjumper. On this side, you have a nice image of Cliffjumper. On the back, you have some product shots of him in his robot mode, vehicle mode, transforms in 18 steps, and has an image of him with his hydro ski mode. That is it for the packaging. First, taking a look at the figure's accessories. He comes with a lot of them. See, you can, as you saw in the intro, I use these as guns for him. It's done in a silver. It is molded in black plastic, but it's painted in silver. You can use this as a bat if you want. And I'm not really sure what you can use as these, but you can take these and attach them like this. These go on the side right here. Then this plugs in right here. And then you have a little bazooka for him, which is nice because, you know, in the first episode of Generation 1, he had a bazooka and he was planning to take out Megatron, but it failed. So you have to plug into his hand right there. You can also take his backpack and plug it into his hand right there. It can be used as a shield if you want to do that. I prefer just to leave it on his back. That is it for the accessories. Now taking a look at the detail of the figure. First going in for the head sculpt. You can see it's a nice head sculpt with a nice detail around the helmet with some nicely painted blue eyes and some nice silver for the face. On the chest, there's no Autobot logo, but there is one in vehicle mode. On this arm right here, you can see this is painted and this isn't painted, but it works fine. Got some detail right here, some detail right there. You got some molded in detail on the arms. On my figure, for some reason, the backpack is extremely loose. You have to, like, really push it in there just so it won't wiggle around while you're handling it. Got some detail right here. Got some detail on the legs. You can see there. You got some big feet. On the back, if you move that, there is also some detail right there. Nice sculpted in detail. That is it for the detail. Now, for some size comparison, here's a tiny guy. Let's just compare him next to some other small dudes, like Bumblebee and also RC. He's smaller than this Bumblebee, but bigger than this RC. For some other size comparisons, here we have him next to Earthrise Hoist. My last review, Wheeljack. And also, sorry to maneuver around here while these lights pointing at him. And also Starscream. If I had to choose, I have to rank all this, I'd say Starscream's my favorite, Wheeljack's my second favorite, Cliffjumper is my third favorite, and Hoist is my fourth favorite. Not saying Hoist is a bad figure, I just like all these better. That is it for the size comparisons. Now for articulation, he's got a ball joint at the head, can get a little bit of head tilt. Head can look up that far, can't look down. Can rotate, it's pretty tight though. Arm can move out, can rotate right here. Rotation right here. You got a bend at the 90-degree bend at the elbow. You can also bend back 90 degrees due to transformation. You got a wrist rotation, a waist rotation. You also do the transformation, you can bend back like that. Like here, the rotation for it is right up here. See? It's gonna take this off for the rest of the articulation because it keeps falling off. Got a rotation right here, like can kick up that far and kick back that far. You got a 90-degree bend at the knee, and also you got a really good ankle pivot. Overall, that is it for the articulation. Now for transformation, just want to remove this backpack. Then you want to fold in this peg. Then you want to take the arms, hinge those back, rotate them up. Do the same thing on the other arm. You want to come right here to the chest, unplug this. Then you want to fold that up. You want to hinge these out, tab that back in. You want to then rotate his waist around, and then push it forward like that. You want to tab these in like that. You want to then take the feet, want to unfold that, push that down, and the wheel will come out with it. Same thing other side. Then you want to just tab this in, then push this, tab that in right there, and then tab all of this in, like so. Then you want to take this, and this will just plug into the fist, like that. And there you have Cliff Jumper in this vehicle mode. Now for some size comparisons, here he is next to Starscream. And here he is next to Wheeljack. And here he is next to Hoist. Now, for the weapon storage on this vehicle, just take this off. You want to rotate that right there. Then you want to tab these in on the side. You put it on top. Not bad, but that's the boring way of doing this. If you want to have the fun way, just disassemble all of this. Then you want to take this, have it like that. Then these two pegs will plug into here. Then this will plug into here. Take these skis, then plug these in like so. Then take these, plug it in right here, and there you have this hydro ski mode. I'm pretty sure I had these on the wrong way, but I prefer it this way. And it slides pretty nicely, and I just love this ski mode. This is a nice way to store all your weapons. Just taking these off and putting them to the side so then we can talk about the vehicle. As you can see, this does roll pretty nicely. Not really on this surface that I have right here. Maybe on a carpet it'll roll better. But for the details coming in closely here, see, has some nice silver for the rims of the tires. Some nice detail right here. The back, you got some molded in it for the headlights and license plate. You got some silver for the exhaust pipes. Got some black right here for the bumper. You got the Autobot logo right here on the front. You got some silver for the headlights and black for the grill, and some silver right here. If you look inside, you basically see nothing except you look right there. This is translucent blue, and this is black. It doesn't really work perfectly, but I honestly think it's not that bad. It's a pretty nice vehicle mode. It's really tiny. I actually love how small this is. Overall, that's it for the vehicle mode. So yes, get him back into robot mode and give him a score. So overall, Cliff Jumper is a really good figure. The posability is amazing. The details are amazing. It just kind of sucks that there's no Autobot logo on the chest, but I can live with that. It is $20, and it comes with a lot of these, but it is pretty small. He's about 4 inches when I compared him. He looks bigger on camera, but honestly, he's actually really tiny. Overall, I think Cliff Jumper will get a 9 out of 10. He probably would have got a 10, but I just don't like how loose this backpack piece is. So overall, that's it for my review of Cliff Jumper. I'll see you in the next review where I will review... Hold on, let me move this light. I will be reviewing Sentinel Prime. If you saw my toy hunt in Target, I found this figure and I bought him. So, and I also found the Seeker 2-pack. I was thinking of buying that, but then this one was cheaper. It was $32, so I decided on getting this one. So this will be my next review. So I'll see you in that one next week on Saturday. So bye.